Your meter shows you this moment. What it can't show you is the pattern, that your mornings have been creeping up for 2 weeks, or that one particular meal spikes you every time. The blood sugar diabetes log turns a month of readings into trends you can actually see and share. It starts with your targets, not a generic rule. There's no universal normal, so you set your before meal, after meal, and bedtime ranges, and your A1C goal with your care team on one tab. Everything else in the workbook reads from these numbers, so it judges each reading against your goals. Then you just log. Type the reading, pick the context, fasting, before a meal, after a meal, bedtime, and the workbook flags it for you, in range, high, or low, against the targets you set. No math, no judging by hand. Every reading marked the moment you enter it. The dashboard counts the month for you, your average, your percent in range, your highs and lows, and an estimated A1C, all live from your log. The before and after meal breakdown shows you where the trouble is. A high after meal bar is exactly the pattern a single reading hides. At each lab, A1C result, and the workbook estimates the average glucose it reflects and tracks the trend toward your goal. A falling A1C right beside the daily numbers that explain it. The long arc and the day-to-day in one place. And before a visit, open the appointment summary. It recaps your recent averages, your percent in range, your highs and lows, and your latest A1C, all computed from your log, with space for the questions you want to ask. It turns My Sugars Have Been Okay into a page of evidence. It's more than a template. 3 guides walk you through setting your targets, logging in context, and reading patterns instead of single numbers. So the workbook actually teaches the method, not just the cells. It opens in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice, in your choice of units, and there's a one-click Google Sheets copy. Buy it once, and it's yours. Not a subscription app holding your most personal records on someone else's server. Own your numbers. The link is in the description.